What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. Today is a beautiful day in December. I'm going to go ahead and cut some branches that need to be trimmed up, and I'll show you, the reason why I'm cutting them, and if you have these type of branches, why you may want to think about cutting them yourself. Let's hop into it. All the leaves have fallen off, so any and all energy that those leaves have made are already in the trunk and down in the roots. So come spring, these cuts, when they go to back to that branch, it's going to see that there is no branch, so it's just going to send the nutrients to other parts of the tree to help it continue to grow well. Branches like this, they're kind of like right at head level, so when I'm mowing the grass, they're right in the way. I want to get rid of that. Any branches like this that you can see this V, that is not a good angle for the branch to have, so that needs to be removed. And any branches that cross or intersect like this is a bad thing, because I'll show you once I cut them too, but they are rubbing, and that is where disease and problems can get right into the tree. So these are going to be cut back right next to the branch. This is a branch that I'm going to be cutting off too. You can see there's a size difference from here to here, so the cut needs to be made here. This part of the branch that's connected to the tree, the trunk, this will actually heal itself over as long as you don't cut back too far. So it needs to be cut out here, right where the size difference is, and then this will be done. It'll know not to send any more nutrients this way. It will heal itself. And then I had to change to my safety glasses. So you can see where these branches were rubbing. Okay, so you can see, cut, 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 cut. The overall, not a whole lot was removed, but enough to help thin it out, get rid of those V branches, get rid of those crossover branches that will cause the rubbing to happen, which I showed you. But here, now that it's basically smooth from all the rubbing, it's no longer like bark, and that can cause issues like disease coming into the plant. So it's out now, and I'm going to go ahead and be able to cut these guys up, and I'm going to be making some new raised beds, so I'll be able to throw this material into the bottom to help that out. So thank you for watching, everybody. Have a great day.